Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short video. Brookhaven just said when I was playing with my sister Tala, they sent me a request. You can be the owner of Brookhaven if you want. And I said yes. And no way I would say no. And yes, my sister challenged me, Tala, bringing all the houses on Brookhaven. Done. Bringing admin command. Done. Bringing all the cars in the whole entire game. Done. Like she's like said so many things, and I just did that. Though I did them, and she was like impressed, and she was trying and trying and trying and trying until she gets it, and she gives up, and now we have it. Bye, guys.